सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांतिः। विद्यानामनरस्य रूपमधिकं प्रच्छन्न गुप्तं धनं विद्या भोगकरी यशस्सुखकरी विद्या गुरूणां गुरुः विद्या बन्धुजनो विदेशगमने विद्या परा देवता विद्या राजसु पूजिता न तु धनं विद्या विहीनः पशुः। नमस्कारः, स्वागतम्। वयं वस्तुतः भवन्तः जानन्ति भर्तृहरि नीतिशतकस्य पूर्वार्धस्य अन्तिम श्लोकयोः इदानीं तत्र 48 श्लोकाः पठिताः अस्माभिः पूर्वगतकक्षायाम्। 48 श्लोकस्य सम्बन्धी अभ्यासः यः वर्तते सः प्रारब्धः अभ्यासस्य अन्तिमांशः तन्नाम अष्टांशः तत्र करणीयः अस्ति। अष्टमे अंशे श्लोकस्य सारांशं सरलसंस्कृतेन लेखनम् अस्ति, तद् न कृतं। यदि एतत् कुर्मः वयं एनम् अंशं कुर्मः चेत् तर्हि वयं 49तमं श्लोकं पठितुं गच्छामः। श्रीनिवास, we did 48 poems so far in the Purvardha of the Bhartrihari Nitishitaka, and in the previous class we went up to the 7 points. 8th point was not done, that is Slokasya Saramsham Lekhana, the writing of the essence of the poem number 48. So Srinivas will take over that. Patatu Agnya
Apratihata Shasanam Kirtihi Yashah Brahmananam Upalakshanena Sarvesham Rakshanam Danam Satpatre Dhanatyagaha Bhogaha
Samsarika Sukhanubhavaha
Samsarika Sukhanubhavaha Aishwaryopa
Okay, Tatra Sthapayatu. Agnya Nama Apratihata Shasanam, uninterrupted rule. Kirtihi Tannama Yashaha, fame. There is a mistake here. Brahmananam Upalakshanena, by indication, by implication, all other varnas indicated. Upalakshanena Sarvesham Rakshanam, protection of all the major four castes which are enumerated, Chaturvarnya. Danam Satpatre Dhanatyagaha. Danam Nama Satpatre Danam Pradhanam. Satpatre Dhanatyagaha. Datavyamiti yaddanam diyate anupakarine iti yaha amshaha tatra gitaya api tatra pratipaditaha asti gitayam. Evam danam nama satpatre dhanatyagaha bhogaha samsarika sukha anubhava sukhasya anubhavaha. The enjoyment of the material life, worldly life is bhoga. Aishwaryopa bhogaha, also enjoying the Aishwarya, the riches of a person who has got.
Mitra Samrakshanam Suhrujjana Raksha Samyak Upadanam cha ete purvoktaha षड्गुणाः येषां प्राज्ञां न प्रवृत्ताः न प्रवर्तन्ते तेषां नृपाणाम् उपाश्रयेण तादृशानां भूपतीनां
सेवनेन कः अर्थः? मित्र संरक्षणं राज्ञां तत्र बहवः धर्माः वर्तन्ते, तेषु धर्मेषु अत्र केचित् गुणाः धर्माः एव गुणरूपेण तत्र प्रतिपादिताः सन्ति। मित्रसंरक्षणमपि कश्चन धर्मः राज्ञां। सुहृज्जनरक्षा, मित्रसंरक्षणं नाम सुहृज्जनरक्षा रक्षणं, सम्यक् पालनं च, न केवलं रक्षणं तेषां पालनमपि सम्यक्तया। ये ते पूर्वोक्ताः षड्गुणाः, ये ये गुणाः अत्र उक्ताः सन्ति उपरि, कति वा सन्ति गुणाः? अत्र षड्गुणाः, एते पूर्वोक्ताः षड्गुणाः। येषां राज्ञां येषां भूपानां नृपाणां न प्रवृत्ताः न प्रवर्तन्ते न विद्यन्ते तेषां तादृशानां नृपाणाम् उपाश्रयेन आश्रयस्वीकरणेन तादृशानां भूपतीनां सेवनेन कः अर्थः न कोऽपि अर्थः. There is no point in taking shelter to resorting to such kings who do not have the above said 6 qualities, namely not able to protect the friendly people and giving their protection, and also, and that is what they already we have delineated the points there. Next.
तस्मात् उक्तगुणसम्पन्नः एव राजा आश्रयणीयः न तु
कुक्षिम्भरिः. Okay, it was there. Na kopi artha, so there is no point in going to such kings. Tasmat, therefore, ukta guna sampannaha, upari ukta gunaihi sampannaha, eva raja nrupaha ashrayaniyaha. A king endowed with the above delineated, above described 6 qualities only should be approached. He only should be sought refuge. Natu kukshimbhari. Now, one who Kukshimбhari is a technical term here. Kukshimбharati iti, one who only feeds his own belly, one who looks after his own comforts, his own enjoyments. Kevalago bhavati kevaladi. There is a Vedic saying. Kevalago bhavati kevaladi. One who eats by himself, not feeding anyone, is a great sinner. केवलाघो भवति केवलादि. केवलं यः अदनं करोति अत्ति स पापं पापी भवति इति. एवं रूपेण स कुक्षिम्भरिः. He becomes one who nourishes his own belly. That means in English we have a word glutton. Such a person is called glutton. Iti ante. Yes.
मित्र ब्राह्मण प्रेम्णा दानेन भोगेन च विरहितानां राज्ञां सेवनं व्यर्थमेवेति भावः.
व्यर्थमेवेति भावः. So finally, summing up this poem, yashasa, kirtya, mitra brahmana, premna, and with the love of friends and the learned people, bhogena cha virahitanam, and kings who are devoid of the fame of protecting, with love and looking after the friends and the learned people, and also with charity and also enjoyment. Kings who do not have this. Etaihi gunaihi virahitanam rajñam nrupanam sevanam vyarthameva iti bhavaha. Vyarthameveti bhavaha. It is just a futile thing to go to such kings. That is the idea there. Srinivas? नूतनः श्लोकः 49. न 49 श्लोकः 49th श्लोक. शार्दूलम्. यद्धात्रा निजभावपट्टलिखितं
स्तोकं महद्वाधनं तत्प्राप्नोति मरुस्थलेऽपि इतरां मेरौ ततोऽनाधिकं तद्धीरो भव वित्तवत्सु कृपणां भुक्तिं वृथा मा कृथाः कूपे पश्य
पयोनिधावपि.
कूपे पश्य पयोनिधावपि घटो गृह्णाति तुल्यं जलम्.
यद्धात्रा निजभालपट्टलिखितां स्तोकं महद्वाधनं तत्प्राप्नोति मरुस्थलेऽपि नितरां मेरौ ततोऽनाधिकं तद्धीरो भव वित्तवत्सु कृपणां वृत्तिं वृथा मा कृथाः कूपे पश्य पयोनिधावपि घटो गृह्णाति तुल्यं जलम्. You can sing different ways. पदच्छेदं कुर्मः. यत् धात्रा निज भाल पट्ट लिखितं स्तोकं महत् वा धनं. तत् प्राप्नोति मरुस्थले अपि नितरां मेरौ ततः न अधिकम् तत् धीरः भव वित्तवत्सु कृपणां वृत्तिं वृथा मा कृथाः कूपे पश्य तत्र निदर्शनं दीयते एग्जाम्पल एट द एंड कूपे पश्य पयोनिधौ अपि घटः गृह्णाति तुल्यं जलम् सुंदरं तत्र बहु सुंदरम् उदाहरणं दत्तम् अन्ते भर्तृहरि महाकविना पदपरिचयं कृत्वा अनन्तरं पश्यामः अर्थं पदं यत् विश्लेषण यत् ए स्मरति वा यत् ए यानि पुल्लिङ्गे यदि भवति यत् यः यौ ये यदि स्त्रीलिङ्गकः भवति यत् शब्दः या ये याः इति न विस्मर्तव्यं त्रिषु लिङ्गेषु एते सर्वनामशब्दाः यत् वा तत् वा किं वा सर्व वा एते सर्वेपि सर्वनामशब्दाः यदि एकः शब्दः सम्यक् कण्ठस्थीकृतः अस्ति स्मरणे स्थितः भवति एकः शब्दः तद्वदेव अन्ये शब्दाः अपि प्रचलन्ति धात्रा इति ऋकारान्त निजभालपट्टलिखितम् विशेषणं समस्तपदमस्ति स्तोकम् स्तुक् घै महत् वा इति अव्ययं धनम् अकारान्त तत् पुनः यत् तत्ते तानि इति प्राप्नोति धातु प्राप प्र उपसर्ग आप प्र आप परस्मैपदी प्राप्नोति प्राप्नुतः प्राप्नुवन्ति इति मरुस्थले निरतराम् अव्ययं मेरौ मेरु गुरु शब्दवत् मेरौ गुरौ मेरु पर्वते इति मेरौ नाम अनन्तरं ततः तत् तसिल प्रत्यय अव्ययम यूज्ड एज एन अव्यय न अव्ययम अधिकम तत् यस धीरः भव स्मर्तुं शक्यते वा भव इति पदस्य अन्ये द्वे रूपे अदर टू फॉर्म्स ऑफ भव लोटी मध्यमपुरुषे एतद् मध्यमपुरुषे अस्ति खलु तत्र द्वे अन्ये रूपे वर्तते देयर आर टू अदर फॉर्म्स ऑफ दिस इज सिंगुलर ड्यूअल प्लूरल कैन यू रिमेंबर इट इज सेकंड पर्सन वेयर इज भव भव लोट परस्मैपद मध्यमपुरुष भव भवतु भवतां भवन्तु भव भवतं भवत भवानि भवाव भवाम इति उत्तमपुरुष भव इति लोट लकारस्य प्रयोगः बहुत्र श्रूयते भव 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 नाम बी इति आङ्ग्लभाषायां यु बी विजयी भव मद्याजी भव मां नमस्कुरु इति सर्वत्र तत्र प्रयोगः दृश्यते वित्तवत्सु कृपणां वृत्तिं वृत्तिं वृथा अव्ययं मा अव्ययं मा इति कश्चन धातुः अपि वर्तते मा माने माति मातः मान्ति अदादिगण दैट इज सेकंड कॉन्जुगेशन क्लास माति माति इति माता वन हु मेजर्स इज अ मदर पाति इति पिता वन हु प्रोटेक्ट्स आई हैव टोल्ड यू लॉन्ग बैक सो मा इज अव्यय एज वेल एज ए धातु आल्सो अदादिगण सेकंड क्लास माति मासी एटसेट्रा कृताः कृञ् धातु अष्टमगण लुंग मध्यम पुरुष एकवचन सो दिस बिकम्स अकृत अकृशताम अकृशत अकृताः कृताः is there na अकृताः is used अकृताः that is so that has to be looked into कूपे कूप शब्द is well known पश्य लोट पश्य पश्यतं पश्यत यदि अन्य रूपे पश्यामः पश्य इति मध्यमपुरुषे एकवचनं पश्य पश्यतं पश्यत पश्यतु पश्यतां पश्यन्तु इति प्रथमपुरुषे जस्ट लाइक भव पश्य इज पयोनिधौ पयोनिधिः इकारान्त अपि अव्ययः घटः गृह्णाति नवम गृह्णाति गृह्णीतः गृह्णन्ति गृह्णन्ति दिस इज उभय पद एक्चुअली गृह्णीते गृह्णाते गृह्णते वेरी डिफिकल्ट वन सो दिस इज यूज्ड इन परस्मैपद तुल्यम जलम इति सुप्रसिद्ध विशेष सो एवं पदपरिचय श्रीनिवास इदानीम् आकांक्षां तावत् पश्यामः प्राप्नोति गेट्स लभते अधिगच्छति किं वा प्राप्नोति किं प्राप्नोति इति तत्र पुस्तके अस्ति व्हाट डज वन गेट
धनं प्राप्नोति
वन गेट्स द वेल्थ कीदृशं धनं प्राप्नोति व्हाट टाइप ऑफ वेल्थ डज वन गेट निज भाल पट्ट लिखितं निज स्व भाल पट्टे भालं नाम अत्र भालं नाम एतद् ललाटं भालं नाम ललाटं निज स्वीय ललाटे यत् लिखितं तदनुगुणमेव धनं लभते ईशावास्यमिदं सर्वं यत्किंच जगत्यां जगत् तेन त्यक्तेन भुञ्जीताः मा गृधः कस्यस्वित् धनम् भुञ्जीताः is a prayoga here krutaah is there akrutaah etc so same thing whether Bhartrihari says everything comes from the Veda only Upanishad so nija bhala patta bala patta means the forehead patta means nija bhala patta likitam dhanam prapnoti so whatever is written we can't see what is written on our forehead they say it is written on our forehead then kena nija bhala patta likitam dhanam prapnoti no this I have not translated by whom does one get the money written by whom on the forehead does one get the money धनं प्राप्नोति केन लिखितं निज भालपट्टे केन लिखितम् इति कश्चन संशयः तत्र प्रश्नः उदेति मनसि धात्रा लिखितमस्ति विधात्रा तत्र ब्रह्मणा सृष्टिकर्त्रा तत्र निज स्वस्य स्वीय ललाट पट्टे तत्र लिखितमस्ति यल् लिखितं तदेव प्राप्यते वॉट एवर इज रिटन दैट इज ऑब्टेन्ड धात्रा धातु शब्द निज भाल पट्ट लिखितं धनं तावतेव प्राप्नोति लभते न अधिकं न न्यूनं ततः न अधिकं न न्यूनं लभते प्राप्नोति पुरुषः यल् लिखितं तत्र निजभालपट्टे तावदेव प्राप्नोति इति तत् नेक्स्ट निजभालपट्ट लिखितं कियत् धनं प्राप्नोति हाउ मच डज वन गेट written on the forehead so nijabhala likitam stokam mahadva dhanam prapnoti whatever is written on the forehead either little or much stokam nama kinchit alpam brihat nama adhikam यदि अल्पमेव लिखितं तत्र धनम् अल्पं प्राप्नोति मनुष्यः, यदि बृहत् तत्र लिखितं महत् तत्र लिखितं अधिकं तत्र लिखितं चेत् धात्रा यदि लिखितं तत् लभते एवं तत् प्राप्नोति एव पुरुषः, न अधिकं लभते न न्यूनं स्तोकं वा तत्र प्राप्नोति, यत् तत्र लिखितं यावत् तत्र लिखितं तावत् तत्र प्राप्यते इति। देन् तत् कुत्र नितरां प्राप्नोति, देन् वेर् डस् ही गेट दैट टोटली? He gets even, where does he get it? He gets even in the Marusthala, desert also. If one is in a desert, desolate place, even there he gets if he has to get. This is what we call fate. Fatalism. This is a theory called fatalism. Whatever is there in my fate, I will get. I will not get more than that. I will not get less than that. Even in a desert, Maru. Tat Marusthale api nitaram prapnoti. Even in a desert where nothing is expected of, even there he gets whatever he is. So that is Marusthala. Marusthala means Maru is a waterless place. Maru, desert, known as sometimes it is identified with Marwar area, Marusthala. So maybe that is how in Rajasthan, Marwar area, there is no water. Maru, see the word Maru, Marwar, identified with that, known as Marwar. So why it is called Maru? Scholars have interpreted Mriyante asmin bhutani jalabhavaditi. Mriyante bhutani asmin jalabhavaditi. Living beings die here because of lack of water. Due to lack of water. Maru. Mriyante bhutani asmin jala bhava iti maruhu. Mru iti dhatoho unadi etc. Formation is there. Mru. Marana is there. Mru to die. So mriyante bhutani asmin jala bhavat iti maruhu. That is how the Vyutpatti is shown by scholars. So it's a place where people, living beings die not getting water. But even in such a place also, if it is written in his fate, he will get it. I remember yesterday I was discussing with my own son, if God has to help, God need not come down from heaven. We have a beautiful poem, but I could not locate its source. Na devaha dandamadhaya Pashupalavat rakshati. Nadevaha dandamadaya Pashupalavat rakshati. Yameva rakshitum ichchati. Yameva rakshitum ichchati. Tam buddhyatam rakshati. So he will give him that buddhi by which that person will protect his own self. Or sometimes there are so many people nowadays talking on channels. Miracles are happening. Miracles have been happening since so many times, unexpected. When you pray in a very sincere manner, when your longing is very sincere, your prayer is very sincere, there is some arrangement in the nature that somebody comes to your rescue. Now this is what one writer was referring to. One mountaineering people were caught up in a very dangerous position and they were praying very, very intensely, and suddenly one person appeared from nowhere and he led them out of that crisis. So how prayers work to tell that. So like that here whatever is written he will definitely get, even in the Meru Sthala. Next Srinivas. Tataha adhikam kutra na prapnoti. Where does he not get more than that?
Tataha adhikam Meru api na prapnoti.
He gets in the Meru whatever is assigned, whatever is written in his fate, in his luck. He will not get more than that even in the Meru Parvata also. Here Meru, na? Now the contrasting words Bhartrihari has used. One is Marusthala, one is Meru Parvata. One will get whatever is written I mean, in his fate in the Meru also, on the Marusthala also, but one will not get more than what is recommended, what is written, Nijabhala Patte Likitam Asti, Tataha Adhikam Merau Apina Prapnoti. Meru is a, mythologically golden mountain. It is a symbol of all money, wealth, riches. So, because I am on the golden mountain, I cannot take the mountain to my home. So, whatever you are destined to get, only that one, not more than that. Na adhikam merau api na prapnu. Meru nama atra Suvarna Parvataha asti. Now, they also say Meru Parvata, why it is not there? Some people have interpreted. We have stone mountains, ice mountains. We are also golden mountain. That was there adjacent to this Himalaya mountain. It was there, they say it was very close to Himalaya, and that formed the center of this earth. Because people in Kali Yuga will be more money minded and they will be fighting for money like anything. If supposing there is a golden mountain, will China keep quiet? Will Pakistan keep quiet? Our neighboring, will India keep quiet? For that matter, will Indians keep quiet? Now they are not leaving coal mines, coal and iron. They are digging illegally, doing all the affairs. And if we imagine there is a golden mountain. So I read somewhere the rishis and gods, they had a meeting and they made it disappear from the earth. Because Kali Yuga is noted for all hooliganism, quarrels, and Kali means Kalaha Yuga. So there will be more quarrels because of this mountain. So they lifted it. They made it disappear. That is what they say. So that is how it has become a mythological. Okay, Srinivas, next. Tataha adhikam kutrana prapnoti mero. Tat kim bhava. Then become what?
Tad dhiro bhava.
So be brave. Tad dhiro bhava. Don't be a coward. Be brave to take whatever is in your favor. Yal likitam asti bhavataha lalati nija lalati tat svikartum siddho bhava. Alpam asti chet alpam eva svikuru. Yadi adhikam likitam asti adhikam svikriyatam. Na nyunam na adhikam. Marustale api evameva merau api evam. So be brave. Ma krutha, don't do. Kam vrutha ma krutha, don't waste, don't do what?
Krupanam mrityum vrutha ma krutha.
Now, this is the point the poet is driving home. Krupanam vrittim ma krutha, don't do menial service to people for the sake of money. Understand? Krupanam, slavish vrittim. Krupana means slave. Don't be a slave. Don't be do slavish job. Vrutha ma krita. Don't do that in waste. People think that by being slavish, being subservient like servant, to some rich person or powerful person, they hope to get more. The poet says here, you won't get more than what is written there. Even if you serve like a beggar or a servant or a slave, the king, you will get only that much what is already decided by your luck, by your fate. Whatever Brahmaji has written, only that much you will get. So don't do this slavish service. Krupanam vrittim ma krutaha ma kuru iti. Don't do this. That's it. Servile course of conduct. That Keshu krupanam vrittim vrutha ma krutaha. Towards whom should you not do this menial or slavish service?
Vittavatsu krupanam vrittim vrutha ma krutha.
Vittavatsu dhanikeshu, dhanavatsu dhanikeshu, sampanneshu purusheshu, janeshu, krupanam vrittim vrutha ma krutaha. Don't do in waste, don't serve unnecessarily the rich hoping to get more because it's already decided. Now what does this poem tell you, Srinivas? Everything is predestined. Poem tells us everything is predestined. You will get whatever you are supposed to get. When will you get? Appropriate time. Tad deshe kale cha. The time should come, that place, and that, when time comes, everything comes. So you will get it, whatever is there, written in your fate. That is what the poem is suggesting. So therefore, don't waste your life by serving the rich in the hope of getting more. Even if you go to Meru Parvata, you will not get more. Already has given that image. If one is in the desert, you will not get less. Even one is on the golden mountain, thrown in the richest place, he will not get more than what is assigned. Like Gruhnati, still there. He accepts. Kaha Gruhnati, who accepts or who gets? Ghataha Gruhnati. Now he is giving. Bhartruhari is a wonderful philosopher. There is here, Karma Siddhanta is there and other Siddhantas are there. But he is giving so beautiful pictures here, see. Now he is giving a beautiful picture of a pot. How to understand this concept of Vidhatra Likitam, Nijabala Patta Likitam? There is already, you people have been already allotted whatever you are supposed to get. So you won't get more than that. If I say it is very, very dry, now he is giving a beautiful picture. And that picture, that Udaharana is lively Udaharana. Everybody knows in India. I don't know about foreign countries whether they have wells and they may be having wells in there. So, Gataha Gruhnati, the pot accepts or takes. Gataha Kim Gruhnati, what does the pot accept? Yeah, a pot accepts or takes the water. Ghataha Kiyat Jalam Gruhnati, how much water does a pot take? Imagine a small pot you dip into the well or into the ocean. You will get only small amount of water. If your ghata is big, then you get more water. So here ghata is used here as an example to show that whatever ghata is there in you, with you, whatever luck is there already assigned to you. If it is small, you will get small. If it is very big, you will get big. Just like the small pot, big pot. Small pot means small, little water. Big pot means more water. That is all. Gataha kiya jalam, gataha tulyam jalam. So a pot cannot overtake the water. Na? Imagine a liter of content water is there. A pot is there which can take only half a liter or liter. It will accept only, contain only half liter. You can't say you take a pot of half liter capacity and I want 2 liters in it. How is it possible? What a lively example he gives. Gataha tulyam jalam gruhnati. Gataha kutra tulyam jalam gruhnati. Where does the pot take equal water?
Gataha kupe
Payonidhau api. So, as I said, a pot can take water, appropriate water either in a well or in an ocean. It is ocean now. Can the pot take more water? Now here ocean is Meru Parvata. Kupa is Marusthala. Little water. So it is all your luck, man. So be dhiro bhava. Vitta vatsu krupanam vrittim ma krutaha. Don't do any menial service to the rich people. You are not going to be benefited. I think even some people have this experience working for the rich people, and they get frustrated, Srinivas. They serve in the hope of getting something, but rich have no consideration for these people. they think they are giving their salary, that is enough, that is more than the requirement. So for them, for everybody, this is a good poem. Anvayartha.
धात्रा निजभान पट्टलिखितं स्तोकं महत्वा यत् धनं तत् मरुस्थले अपि नितरां प्राप्नोति.
Yeah, can stop there. Dhatra, Vidhatra, Brahmana, Nijabhala Pattalikitam, whatever is written on your forehead, Stokam Mahatva, Alpam Adhikam Va, whether little or more, Yat Dhanam, Tat Marustale Api, that even in the desert, Api Nitaram Prapnoti, one gets even in the Marustala also.
ततः अधिकं मेरो अपि न प्राप्नोति तत् धीरः भव.
Tataha adhikam, more than that, merau api. Now merau api, there is an emphasis, merav api, merau api, even on the Meru mountain, which is a symbol of wealth, which is the storehouse of gems and jewels and diamonds. Not only gold, they say, gems and other things. Gold and jewels are there, Meru Parvata. There also you will not get more. Therefore, be a brave man, dhira. Next. So do not therefore do not in waste render service to the rich people. Service to the rich is a waste service. Don't do that. Pasya. Look, he is giving the example. Ghataha, a pot, kupe in the well, payonidau samudre api, tulyam jalam grugnati. It accepts only sufficient. I mean, tulyam means here it accepts only equal water, which it can contain like. So here, that poem is there, na Srinivas, our Shankaracharya's Bhaja Govinda. What is that poem similar to this? Yallabhase nija karmo pattam. What is that poem? Remember? Vinodaya chittam. What is the beginning? I am not getting. Yavat, no. Yavat vittopasansa. That is different. Yallabhase nija karmo pattam. Vittam tena vinodaya chittam. Something is there. So whatever is there, it is already destined. If you remember, tell, otherwise.
Yeah.
Next to Srinivas. Padartha, so Dhatra, Brahmana, by the creator. Nija Bhala Pattha Likitam. Read on. Sviya. Padartha we have not done. Anvayartha we have done.
Dhatra Brahmana Nijabhala Pattalikitam Sviya Bhala Palake
Uttankitam. Sviya Lalata Palake Uttankitam. Written on one's own forehead. Stokam Mahadva Adhikam Va Yadhanam Tat Marusthalepi Marubhumau Api. Even in a desert, Nitaram, surely, Vashyam Prapnoti Tataha Tataha Nama Vidhi Likitat Brahmana Likitat Dhanat Iti Adhikam Merau Api Meru Parvati. Even on the golden mountain Meru mountain, na prapnoti. Tat tasmat karana dhiraha dharyashali bhava vartasva jayasva. Better is vartasva. Vartasva is better. Vittavatsu Krupanam Deenam Heenam, you can say, वृत्तिम
व्यवहारं
वृथा व्यर्थमे मा कृताः
मा कार्षा
कार्षीः. This is lung prayoga, wherein actually ma akarshihi it is, a will be deleted, which is equivalent to ma krutaha, akrutaha. There also a will be dropped. There is a rule here. So ma krutaha means ma kuru. Don't do menial service. So still there. Pasya avalokaya. See, ghataha kalashaha. Kupe anda. There is a word like andhuhu, which means well. So it is ukaranta shabda. Andhuhu, andhau, kupe. So that is used. And napumsaka shabda is andham is there, which means it also the same. Turbid water. Water also it is referred to. So andhuhu is kupa, andhau, payonidhau api. Storehouse of water, that is samudra. Tulyam, samanam, jalam, udakam, neeram, toyam, etc. Gruknati, svikaroti, adatti. Bhavartham padat.
Brahmana manusyasya lalate likhitam yadalpam bahuvadhanam tat manusyah marubhono api prapnoti.
Yes. Brahmana, by the Creator, manusyasya lalate, on man's forehead, likhitam, written, yadalpam bahuvadhanam, whether it is little or more money, that is written on his forehead. That manusyah, man, marubhumau api, even in a futile place like a desert, prapnoti, gets. Next, tadadikam.
Tadadikam tu hemamaye meru parvatepi na prapnoti.
Tadadikam, tasmat adikam, more than that, hemamaye meru parvate api, even on a mountain of gold also you will not get more than that. Tasmat karanat. Therefore, O my brother, be brave. Don't be disheartened. But there is some people may argue here. How does one determine this much is only written in my fate? Subject to argumentation. So the idea is, Srinivas, be happy whatever you get. You keep on working. Whatever you get, try to be happy. And unnecessarily don't expect more. Karmanyevadhikarasti, like that. Keep on doing your work, leave, the result will come. Similarly, you keep on working, you'll get money, but don't expect too much of money out of your service. If you are to get, somebody may come and gift you something. So that is the idea, we have to understand. Next. So don't do the low service to the rich people. Swaparimanam svikaroti. So Pasya, look here an example. A pot, kupe samudrecha, both in the case of whether you put the pot dip the pot into the well or put it into the ocean, swaparimana matram. It takes water so much as it's according to its capacity. Samanam jalam svikaroti na tadadikam na gruknati na svikaroti. So it can't take more than that. So that is how it is. Krishna manasi vitrus yallabhase labhase nija karmopartam chittam. Yeah, that is. So what is the beginning of that line? I don't know.
मूढ़
Moodha jahihi dhanagama trushnam. Dhana agamasya trushnam jahihi tyaja iti. Oh fool, give up the hope of getting more money. What is it? Labase nija karmopaktam. Labase, whatever you get, nija karmopaktam, sviya karma upaktam, karmadattam, tena vinodaya chittam. Vittam chittam. What a beautiful rhyming is given. Vittena chitta toshanam. Bhavati va na bhavati iti. Vittena chitta toshanam na kartum shakyati. ये वित्तवन्तः सन्ति धनिकाः सन्ति ते तेषां चित्तं न तुष्टमासीत् अतः अधिकम् 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 अधिकं मेरोः पर्वतस्यापि अधिकम् अधिकं वाञ्छन्ति. सो दैट इज अ ब्यूटिफुल पोयम. या नाइस. निदर्शनं प्रति गच्छामः. सन्धयः यद्धात्रा यत् महद्वा महत्वा जस्तु मरुस्थलेपि पूर्व ततो न नाधिकं न अधिकं तद्धीरः तत् जस्तु पयोनिधावपि. अयादि मीन्स अयवायाव संधि. एचो अयवायाव. You remember that? ते अपि तौ अपि ताव अपि द्वौ अपि द्वाव अपि नायकः वर्ड नै प्लस अकः नायकः गै प्लस अकः गायकः. दैट इज द एग्जांपल फॉर दिस संधि. अयादि संधि अयवायाव संधि. इन शॉर्ट वी कॉल इट अयादि संधि. घटो गृह्णाति विसर्ग समास द्वयम्. निज भालपट्ट लिखितम्. विशेषण पूर्वपद कर्म. So nijam bhalapattam, lalatapattam. Pattam means this. This is like a forehead, the plate. It's like a plate on the number, like vehicles have number plate. But only if you can read what is written in there. It's a mystic writing. So nija bhalapattam, nija bhalapatte likitam. Likitam saptami tatpurusha. Payo nidhau. Payasam nidhihi. Jalanam nidhihi. It is a storehouse of water. Akashat patitam toyam yatha agacchati sagaram. सर्वमपि तत्र तोयम् आकाशात् पतितं सागरं गच्छति. अतः सागरः पयसां निधिः वर्तते. पयोः निधिः. कृदन्तं पठितुं शक्यते. धात्रा तृच् धातृशब्द. लिखितं लिख तान्तं. वित्तवान् विद वतुप् वतुप्. एक्चुअली मतुप् इट इज वित्तवान् या वतुप्. वृत्तिः वृत्त वृतु वृत्ति धातुः क्तिन्. पयोनिधिः पय शब्द नी पय. You take it as a word. Latest. पय नी उपसर्ग धा उपसर्ग धा इति धातुः की इति प्रत्यय इ. सो पयोनिधि. स्तुक् इति धातु. वयमत्र स्थापयामः. ओम भूयात्.